The SUV market is changing faster than ever, and 2026 may be the year everything shifts. For decades, Toyota and Lexus have ruled the roads with reliability, quality, and trust. But now, a new wave of Chinese SUVs is stepping onto the global stage. Smarter, more powerful, more luxurious, and packed with next-gen tech at prices that turn heads. These aren't cheap budget cars anymore, they're real challengers. Today, we're looking at 7 Chinese SUVs coming in 2026 that have the power, technology, and design to compete directly with Toyota and Lexus, and maybe even beat them in some areas. From full-size electric flagships to hybrid luxury SUVs built for families, these models prove one thing. The future of SUVs is no longer owned by just one country. Welcome to TopLuxRides. Let's get started. Number 7. 2026 BYD Sea Lion 06. Stylish electric midsize SUV. The BYD Sea Lion 06 represents BYD's next step in stylish midsize electric SUVs, and it's built to challenge models like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Lexus NX. Based on the E-Platform 3.0 Evo, the Sea Lion 06 focuses on efficiency, smart range management, and smooth daily driving. Buyers can choose between full electric and BYD's DMI hybrid version, giving flexibility for city commuters and long-distance drivers. Inside, the cabin feels modern and premium, with a clean dashboard, rotating touchscreen, and soft touch materials that make it feel more upscale than many competitors in its class. The ride is quiet, comfortable, and family-friendly, while safety tech and driver assist systems give it a confident road presence. The Sea Lion 06 doesn't just compete on price, it competes on technology, comfort, and practicality, making it a real threat in the global mid-size SUV market. Let's move to number 6. Number 6. 2026 iCar V27 Chery Plug-in Hybrid Adventure. SUV, the iCar V27 from Chery is a plug-in hybrid SUV designed for drivers who want efficiency and capability at the same time. Built on Chery's IMS intelligent platform, it combines dual-motor AWD with a hybrid power system, giving strong acceleration while keeping fuel use low. This makes it a smart alternative to Toyota's hybrid SUVs, especially for buyers who want off-road ability without going full electric. The V27 has a rugged but stylish exterior, with sharp lines, roof rails, and a bold front design. Inside, the cabin blends comfort and technology, featuring digital screens, supportive seats, and a layout made for long trips and weekend adventures. With hybrid driving modes, electric cruising in the city, and gasoline support for longer journeys, the V27 brings real versatility. It's built for drivers who want Toyota-like reliability, but with a modern Chinese tech twist. Now let's move to number 5. Number 5, 2026 AITO MEM6 Tech-focused luxury electric SUV. The 2026 AITO M6, built by Seres in partnership with Huawei, is a smart mid-size luxury SUV designed to compete with the Toyota Highlander and Lexus NX. Available in both electric and range-extended versions, the M6 focuses on smooth driving, premium comfort, and advanced smart technology. Step inside and the first thing you notice is the tech. The cabin features Huawei's intelligent infotainment system, large high-resolution screens, voice assist features, and seamless connectivity. The seats are soft and supportive, making it ideal for families and long trips. The range-extended version also reduces charging worries by allowing gasoline-powered energy support when needed. On the road, the AITO M6 delivers a quiet ride, strong acceleration, and refined handling. It proves that Chinese SUVs aren't just catching up. They're aiming to set new standards in tech luxury value. Let's continue to number 4. Number 4, 2026 Xiaomi YU9 Flagship range-extended luxury SUV. The Xiaomi YU9, also known as Kunlun, is Xiaomi's first full-size flagship SUV, and it's built to take on true premium rivals, including Lexus and Toyota's high-end SUVs. This model uses a range-extended electric powertrain, combining electric driving with long-distance flexibility, making it practical for both city use and highway touring. The YU9 offers 6 or 7-seat configurations, making it perfect for large families. Inside, the interior feels like a luxury tech lounge, with curved displays, high-quality materials, and a clean, modern design. Xiaomi is known for its smart device ecosystem, and that technology flows directly into the vehicle, from intelligent navigation to connected home integration. On the road, the YU9 balances comfort, power, and quiet electric operation. It signals that Chinese brands are now ready to compete at the top level, not just in price, but in innovation and premium experience. Now let's go to number 3. Number 3, Hyundai Leapmotor D19, full-size electric luxury SUV. The Leapmotor D19 is a large, full-size SUV designed to rival premium giants like the BMW X7, Mercedes GLS, and yes, even Lexus flagship models. Available as both pure EV and extended range versions, the D19 delivers up to 724 horsepower in electric form, giving it serious performance credentials for its size. This SUV is all about space, comfort, and technology. The cabin is wide, open, and luxurious, with premium seat materials, ambient lighting, and advanced infotainment screens for both front and rear passengers. Its long wheelbase allows for generous legroom, making it ideal for families or executive-level travel. On the road, the D19 provides smooth power delivery, quiet cabin experience, and stable highway handling. It proves that Chinese automakers can now build luxury SUVs that don't just follow. They compete head-to-head with established global leaders. Let's move to number 2. Number 2, Zeekr 7X, high-performance electric SUV. The Zeekr 7X is all about speed, power, and futuristic design. Built on a 900-volt high-performance electric platform with an available triple motor system, producing around 784 horsepower, this SUV delivers acceleration and performance that rival premium performance SUVs, including models positioned above Lexus and Toyota. The 7X features a sleek coupe-style body, aggressive lighting design, and a bold performance stance. Inside, the cabin is modern and minimalistic, with premium materials, large digital displays, and a driver-focused layout. It's built for drivers who want luxury, but also want excitement and sport-focused driving. On the road, the 7X delivers sharp handling, instant electric torque, and confident grip, especially in its performance-oriented AWD setup. It shows that Chinese EVs aren't just efficient, they can also be fast, emotional, and thrilling to drive. Now it's time for number 1. Number 1. 2026 Nio ES8, flagship full-size electric SUV. At the top of the list is the 2026 Nio ES8, one of the most advanced and premium full-size electric SUVs from China. With dual-motor AWD, strong performance, and Nio's well-known battery swap technology, the ES8 brings innovation that even top Japanese brands don't currently offer. The ES8 is available in 6 or 7-seat layouts, making it a true family luxury SUV. The interior feels elegant and premium, with panoramic screens, soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a quiet cabin designed for long-distance comfort. Smart safety features and intelligent driving assistance add even more confidence on the road. What makes the ES8 a real challenger is its balance of performance, tech, refinement, and practicality, proving that Chinese electric SUVs are now ready to compete directly with premium icons like the Lexus LX and Toyota Land Cruiser. These SUVs prove that the automotive world is changing fast. Chinese brands are no longer just the budget option. They're bringing luxury, technology, performance, and innovation that can truly challenge and sometimes surpass Toyota and Lexus in certain areas. Which SUV impressed you the most from this list? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your pick. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury car breakdowns, tech future SUVs, and premium automotive rankings. Only here on TopLuxRides.